Hello everyone and welcome back to another project. In this project I'm going to demonstrate the password protected smart and secure door lock system including IoT. So for the ease of demonstration, as you can see, I haven't attached the lock with my door, but in case of practical implementation, all you have to do is attach the lock with your door with a number of screws. So as usual, initially I'm going to describe the components that I've used here, and then I will demonstrate on how my project works. So first of all, as the microcontroller, I have used the ESP32 board. In my previous projects, I used the Arduino board, but right now for academic purpose, or in other words, in order to send notification by email, I have to connect with the internet. So the ESP32 board allows the Wi-Fi connectivity. So it's been a good option for me, to use the ESP32 board. Then, as the electric lock, I have used the 12-volt solenoid electric door lock. It is powered by these 3.7 volts batteries. It requires around 9 to 12 volts in order to be energized. It has coils inside it, and once the coils get energized, the lock gets closed. The door opens. And in order to drive this electric lock, I had to design a driver circuit using the BC547 NPN transistor. I believe you can see it. But using a MOSFET would be a better option, but right now there is no MOSFET available to me. So I used the NPN BJT BC547. You can also use the MOSFET in order to design the driver circuit. As soon as the base of the BJT is powered by the control signal generated by the microcontroller, the door lock gets energized by the 12 volts. As you can see from these three batteries, and the door lock, the door gets open, the lock gets open. Next, you can see that there is an LCD display. It's a 20x4 I2C liquid crystal LCD display, and there is the I2C driver below the LCD display. The use of an I2C driver allows you to use less number of wires with the microcontroller, which is really a great option, I should say. Then, in order to power up this LCD display, 20x4 LCD display, I have used the 7805 voltage regulator, 5-volt voltage regulator. I have powered this with these two batteries. As you can see, with these two batteries, they can supply around 8 volts, close to 8 volts, and it has been regulated or stepped down to 5 volts using this 7805 voltage regulator, because the LCD display can tolerate at most 5 volts. And then as my GSM device, I have used the SIM900A module, as you can see. And right now it's established on network. As you can see that the LED is blinking once in every 3 seconds. As it blinks once in every 3 seconds, it means that it's established on the network. But if it blinks faster, like twice in every seconds, if it blinks faster, I don't know the timing exactly. If it blinks faster, it means that it hasn't been able to establish on the network. And to unlock the door from inside, I have used the touch capacitive buttons. As I press on one of these buttons, the door will get unlocked from inside. And in order to enter the password, as you can see, I have used the 4x3 matrix keypad. The configuration of this keypad has been designed onto my code using a 4x3 matrix. This keypad has been mapped using a 4x3 matrix onto my code, I should say. And I believe that I have described all of my components. 2 or 3 minor components are left here. As you can see, there is a green LED. Each time the door gets open, each time the lock is unlocked, the green LED will come up. And each time a wrong password is entered, the red LED will come up and the buzzer will ring out as well. As you can see the buzzer, it will ring out telling you that someone has entered the wrong password. And there is another 7805 voltage regulator. This one has been used in order to power up the SIM900A module. The SIM900A module has been powered with a separate power supply. That is because of the fact that the SIM900A module requires stable power supply in order to ensure proper operation. If you are not supplying enough power, or if you are not biasing the SIM900A with proper power, then it happens that it cannot maintain its operation smoothly. I mean, it cannot receive the text, it cannot send the text. I mean, it gets disconnected from the network. So in order to be established on the network continuously, it's very important to ensure a smooth power supply to the SIM900A module. That's why I've used a separate power supply in order to power up this SIM900A module. So I believe that I have been able to describe all of the components that I've used here, and right now I would like to directly dive into the demonstration. And first of all, I'm going to tell you what the project does, what it will do. So there are a number of features in my project, and I'm going to tell you the features one by one right now. You can unlock the door lock using a password, entering it through this matrix keypad. If someone is inside the room, then he can unlock the door from inside by pressing a single button, by pressing 1 simply. Each time you enter the correct password, the door will open, the lock will get unlocked, the green LED will come up, and a notification will be sent by email to your email address. And each time you enter a wrong password, the red LED will go up, the buzzer will ring out, and a notification will be sent to you by an SMS as well by an email to your email address, which has already been given onto the code. And if you want to unlock the door remotely, for example, you are far away from your home and someone has come who is to enter the room, and you don't want to share your password with him. So in that case, what you can do here is you can send an SMS and unlock the door remotely from any corner of the world. So in that case, the notification will be sent to the user whether the door lock has been opened or not accordingly. So that's how the project will do. And right now I'd like to dive into the demonstration. So for this reason, I'm going to reset the ESP32 board and show you everything from the beginning. So first of all, I'm going to reset the ESP32 board, hitting on this button. You see what happens into the display. The display has been used in order to design the user interface. Welcome to Rafi Smart Door Lock, undergrad student, department of AAA Wait. Door is locked, enter a password. And just to be sure, if the ESP32 board has been connected with the Wi-Fi, I'd like to check the serial monitor. As you can see in the serial monitor that it's been connected with the Wi-Fi as well. It's also showing you the IP address, and the SIM900A GSM module is also established on the network, and it has been designed, it has been programmed to send and receive text messages. So everything is working fine. So if you enter the correct password, the lock will get unlocked. So I will enter the password right now and just observe at the lock what happens. Now, first of all, I'm going to enter a wrong password. Say, for example, 0 0 0 0 0 0. You see, password mismatched. Please try again. Sending first alert. Please wait a bit. And it's sending me an email. So I have to wait a while. It takes around 30 seconds to send the mail. I believe you can see the update in the serial monitor about sending the mail, and the mail has been sent. So right now it will send the second alert. Well, it has already sent the second alert. I believe the SMS has already arrived to my phone. So I'm going to check my phone right now. So first of all, I'm going to check my mail if there has been a notification. You see that it has sent me an email. You see door alert from Rafi's Automation, suspicious unlocking attempt detected. You see the time, it's 11:33. You see the time at my laptop, 11:33. So it has sent me the email regarding the suspicious unlocking attempt. And as you can see, an SMS has also been sent to my cell phone saying that suspicious unlocking attempt detected at 11:33 a.m. and right now the time is 11:34. So anytime if someone tries to enter the room with a wrong password, then you will be notified about that with an SMS as well with an email. Right now, if someone, right now I'm going to show you if the door lock gets open, you know, as you enter the correct password. The correct password is 1 through 6. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see what happens. Door is locked, as you can see. Well, these symbols, the lock, unlock, or there were a number of I have used here like 5 customized symbols. So these symbols have been generated by editing the pixels of each of the blocks of the 20 by 4 LCD display. These are customized keys. You can't get these keys by pressing like or writing any ASCII codes, not like that. So right now I'm going to unlock the door with the correct password. You just have to observe at the lock over here the screen and the password that I'm entering. So the password that I'll be entering is 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see that the door has been unlocked, password matched door unlocked. You see that the green LED was up, sending alert, please wait a bit. It will notify me about unlocking the door by an email. So I have to wait for around 20 to 30 seconds and I can see the update, you know, on the serial monitor. Okay, message sent successfully. I believe that the message has already arrived. So I'm going to check it. 0 minutes ago, door has been opened. As you can see, door has been opened. Door has been opened. Thank you. The email was sent as 11:35. Right now the time is 11:36. So each time you unlock the door, an email will be sent to you, sent to your mail address saying that the door has been unlocked. Now, if a person is inside the room, then he can unlock the door from inside simply by pressing a single button, 1. This is a touch capacitive sensor and I've only activated the first channel. So as I press on 1 or the first channel, the door lock will get unlocked. I'd like to show you right now. Just observe at the door lock, the screen and the button I press. So I'm pressing 1 right now. I'll be pressing 1. You see button pressed, door unlocked, green LED is up. The lock was unlocked and it's working perfectly. Now the next feature is if you try to enter the room, you know, remotely. I mean, if you try to unlock the door remotely from any corner of the world simply by sending an SMS, then you can also unlock the door. So you have to send a text like unlock the door. Well, no matter what string you are sending, it's very important that your string or the message that you are sending to unlock the door includes the substring unlock, and the first letter will be in the uppercase. The U has to be in the uppercase because the program has been coded as such. It looks for the availability of the substring unlock in the sent string. So it's very important that you include the substring unlock with the uppercase U, no matter what text you're sending. Right now I've written something like unlock the door please. So no matter what I write, but it's very important to ensure that I'm including the substring unlock. So right now as I'll send the message, you see I've sent the message, the door should get unlocked. You see it's been unlocked, request verified, door unlocked, and it will be notifying me with an alert that the lock has been opened remotely, sending an SMS. Sending first alert, this one will be sent to my mail. This one will be sent to my mail, and the second alert will be sent by an SMS. And in order to observe the progress, I would like to check the serial monitor. The mail has already been sent. Door locked, enter password. The mail has already been sent. I'll check my mail right now. Here is my mail. You see alert from Rafi's Automation. Check out the first mail. Alert from Rafi's Automation. Door opened remotely using SMS. Thank you. And I'll check my cell phone as well. You see door opened remotely using SMS. Thank you at 11:38. And right now the time is 11:39. As you can see, the time is 11:39. So the entire project is working perfectly. I believe that I have been able to show you the demonstration enough clearly. Maybe I was a bit messy because as I've already told you, I'm recording the video with my right hand. I'm talking with my mouth. I have to check the serial monitor on my computer. I have to check the other phone in order to check the notifications, SMS notification. I have to send SMS from the other phone to unlock the lock locker. So it's a bit difficult to do all these things with only two of my hands. So maybe I was a bit messy and I apologize for that, but I believe that I have been able to clarify myself. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now.